Hello friends, welcome to English by Mahesh. In this video, we will learn 50 important living room items in simple English with short facts. Let's get started. Sofa. A sofa is for sitting and relaxing. Chair. A chair is used to sit comfortably. Table. A table holds things like books and cups. Television. A TV shows movies, news and cartoons. Remote control. A remote control changes TV channels easily. Clock. A clock helps us know the time. Lamp. A lamp gives light in the dark. Carpet. A carpet covers the floor and feels soft. Curtains. Curtains cover windows and give privacy. Bookshelf. A bookshelf stores books neatly. Painting. A painting makes the wall look beautiful. Speaker. A speaker plays music and sound. Cushions. A cushions make sitting more comfortably. Side table. A small table to keep small things. Magazine rack. A rack holds newspaper and magazines. Indoor plant. A plant makes the air fresh. Wall clock. A wall clock hangs to show the time. Fan. A fan gives air and cools the room. Light bulb. A bulb gives bright light. Photo frame. A photo frame holds family pictures. Doormat. A doormat keeps dirty outside. Vase. A vase holds flowers for decoration. Cabinet. A cabinet stores things safely. Showpiece. A showpiece makes the room look nice. Fireplace. A fireplace keeps the room warm. Mirror. A mirror shows your reflection. Chandelier. A chandelier is fancy ceiling light. Tissue box. A tissue box holds tissues for cleaning. Coffee table. A small table in front of the sofa. Television stand. A stand holds the TV safely. Stationery holder. A small box to keep pens and pencils. Candle stand. A stand holds candles for light. Sound system. A system for loud and clear music. Floor mat. A mat makes the floor soft and warm. Power strip. A strip has many plugs for devices. Storage box. A box stores extra items. Wall shelf. A shelf to display books and decorative items. DVD player. A player to watch movies on TV. Toy basket. A basket to keep kids' toys. Wall stickers. Stickers makes the walls look colorful. Candle. A candle gives light when the power is off. Blinds. Cover windows like curtains. Decorative lights. Small lights make the room pretty. Recliner chair. A chair that leans back for comfort. Heater. A heater keeps the room warm in winter. Air purifier. An air purifier cleans the air. Smart speaker. A speaker that plays music with voice commands. Game console. A device for playing video games. Wall hooks. Hooks hold keys, coats and bags. Doorbell. A doorbell rings when someone arrives. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy learning about these useful living room items. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple English learning videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.